watching it today. Me and Alexa are gonna open, or you can call me Marie. Yes. We are gonna open the baby doll. And you can, in the back.
Oh, hold on. Let's show it first.
Yeah.
What's inside there, and then you can explain.
So we have the baby. We have the cone. We have the clips, and this is the spray.
Okay, so here it is. Show it. So what do you guys?
So we have the baby. Yes. And so now we have a comb. We have a mirror, and now we have another comb that is easy to brush. And this is like you can pull her hair inside.
Yeah, this is we call it as hair extension.
Yes, hair extension.
Ooh,
And this is clips. The clips too. That's a spray.
That's a spray.
This is a clip too. Yeah.
Okay.
And you have the back.
Okay, let's show the back. So it's called So Cute Hair Doll. So cuddle, play, and treasure. So we got this one. I got this for Cassie on Christmas. We got this at Ross, and it was on sale. Of course, Ross is a better way to.
You got?
Yeah, I bought this one for you on Christmas.
And this is a baby right here. It's a dog. And he brush her hair. And then she has boots. Yeah, boots.
Oh, she has boots too? Wow, how cool is that? And so, are you guys ready to open it?
Yeah, let's open it. Oh, yeah, I got ready. Open it. Now we got open the back.
Nice. See if you guys need help, okay?
So we got the phone, we got everything now. Now we got to take everything. Just don't do this. Ew, so spiky. Brush your hair.
Okay.
So we have two dogs, so pretty.
Okay.
You should brush her.
Oh,
Don't
nice.
take off the leader. And now we gotta brush her up. Because you got this in. You can't use it once it's off. And this is how you do it. Let's take these out. It's really hard to brush.
That's fine. It's okay. And you can also try using her hair extension. Let me know if you guys need help, okay? I like her hairbrush. Ooh, pretty. Does she have... Oh, and she has a mirror too?
Yes,
Wow.
Josh, you can look. Oh, it's hot. Okay, we got her hair off. Now we just got brush her Now we about brush her hair nice. We gotta get these and put it right here. We have to comb it. Yeah, first we have to comb it. And I put the clips on.
You can also use the other toy in there. You have Jojo Siwa over there. Yeah, and you can use the extension too for her.
You can use this. Or the
I like that. So it comes with 2 hair extensions.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is a big dog.
Yeah.
Okay, and we about put it right here on the line head. Here, and our doll's here. And they're waiting for the light right here.
Okay.
And your dog is there.
So you're trying to
Brush them. Yeah.
and do a makeover.
And also we about to do a different meal. Like we about to do like 2 meals and that's it. And then
Okay. But we have to show them how you're gonna use the clips. So you have to fix their hair, both for Jojo Siwa and the little baby doll. And then you're going to show me how you're gonna fix their hair. Ooh.
I brush her sloppy, so it's gonna be better. But now I may brush her fast. I'm gonna brush her. Oh, I like her blue hair right there. That's my favorite color.
Yeah, me too. I love that one.
Like pink. I like blue now. I changed my mind.
Why?
I like blue. Cause they have pretty ears.
Yeah, I agree.
I always love blue. Like every time I like pink and green and blue. And red.
And red too.
I don't like red because it's for boys colors.
Do you think so?
Yeah, but you can still use it for girls. My mom likes blue. My dad likes red. And my brother too.
Oh.
It's just like green.
Okay, so you can
try.
Are you guys ready? Did you already use the clips in there?
Oh yeah, we almost done.
I want to see how you're gonna do, how you're going to fix their hair. So we have the Jojo Siwa doll here. Jojo Siwa is so pretty.
I'm trying to can we switch? Yes. I'm really not sure. If you can't stop, you can just do like this. Like back and forth. You can just use it back and forth. There we go.
You fix it?
Cool. Everything you need. Just don't brush it hard. You don't have to brush it. It's not going.
Let me know if you need my help, baby.
It's really hard to do this.
Alright.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let me try.
That's nice. Now to
Okay. I'll fix it. I'll fix it for you. This may be because it's already tangled, baby. But if you need my help, I can help you with that one.
yeah.
Okay.
I have to let go.
Oopsie.
Oh, her. Her thing. It's gonna be hard.
Okay.
So I was about to quit it already. Everything. Like
Show the hair extension, baby. Oh,
I
okay.
quit too.
What about yours, Alexa?
So you can just use this because it's gonna click like mine. I'm making it do
Is she ready? Are they ready to party? Are they ready to have a tea party?
No, they're having a party together.
Oh, is it like a pool party? Rapunzel is wearing her swimsuit.
Look at mine here.
Aww. So pretty.
Yeah, so we got this stuff here. Now let me do her hair.
Okay.
And I'm gonna do this one and her body. I was about to grab this scissors.
They're not ready for the tea party yet?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, they have to be all together.
Oh. They are almost ready for the tea party. And they're already done doing the makeover. So we have Jojo Siwa here. Put that on the side, baby. And then we have Barbie. She's wearing a gown. And then we have their new friend here.
Big friend.
Yes, the baby one. She's gonna be joining the tea party. And there's another Jojo Siwa doll. And Rapunzel is still getting ready. Okay. So what do you think about this new toy? Is it nice? It's nice because it has a complete set, right? It has 2 clips, 1 mirror, and 2... What's that one? Oh, okay. So, who's that one?
Rapunzel.
Okay, Rapunzel. Rapunzel's getting ready too. And Ariel. Okay. I like that one too.
She always likes waters.
Because she's a mermaid, babes.
Yeah, but she can't sit. Only like this. She's ready for tea.
Yeah, she's joining the tea party for later.
So for now.
Okay, right now. So.
Or tomorrow. I hope you like my channel and you like all the hairstyles. Click that subscribe and hit that bell. Click that subscribe and hit that bell. I hope you like the hair because it's pretty and I do it all pretty.
And you also did Cassie's hairstyle today too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
It's kind of messy now.
Okay, so I hope you guys have fun watching Cassie's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Cassie's video.
Yeah, she also moved.
Oh yeah, that is so cool,
And then
babes.
we might do a different video.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.